Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got right here the brand new Morphe Cream Blush. This is something you've got to be careful with, and I'm going to tell you why. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, this is actually a really large tube. I'm surprised, because if you look at it like this, it's huge. It's like the size of my hand. This is the color Sweet Scandal. There's actually 5 colors in the series. This is the brand new cream blush. I'm excited. I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand. Okay, so I took a good amount of product. That's a beautiful shade. That's going to give a nice doll-like finish on the cheeks. I'm excited for this. It's quite pigmented. It does sheer out really nice, but I'm gonna go in with a little less product on my actual face. Alright guys, I'm trying to remove what I just put on my hand before I start the video, and it's been on for like 20 seconds, and I'm trying just to remove it, and it has already stained my skin, so I feel like this is something we should just be aware of. But this will make your blush stay all day, for sure, but be careful where you put it down. So we are going to go in at just a little bit more light on the skin with this. That being said, I would not recommend for you to apply this Morphe blush directly to the skin and blend it out, because it did dry down super fast on the back of my hand. So for that reason, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of this product here on the back of my palette. I'm going to go in with this round buffing blending brush right here. This is actually from Juvia's Place. This is a J213. And I'm just going to take that and stipple it kind of over my palette, just like that. We've got some product on our brush. I'm going to go in and just now kind of lightly stipple that on my cheeks. Okay, that is a beautiful shade. And if you're applying it with a brush, like I'm showing you guys, with a palette, like that is probably hands down the best way to apply this, because I'm going to go in and build up that color. Morphe does say this is buildable, so we are going to build this up. I've just applied a little bit more product on my palette. I've got more product on my brush. We're going to go in and just, again, lightly, I'm just small stippling, tapping motions, nothing crazy. I don't want to look overly blushed. And I definitely don't want to have stained cheeks tomorrow while filming. Okay, that is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Honestly, I think I like this more than the Nars Orgasm. Like, this is beautiful. Like, this is absolutely stunning. Alright, so I'm going to go in and apply this product to the other side. I kind of wish I would have picked up the peach shade, because even when I bought this at Sephora, the makeup artist there was like, this is the perfect color for you. But even though I was eyeing up peach, and I kind of wanted the peach, but at the same time I didn't want to like buy too many of them, I'm kind of regretting not buying the peach, because this is beautiful. So I'm just going to stipple my brush into that product on my palette, just like that. We've got the product on the brush, and I'm going to just stipple this onto the face. That is such a beautiful blush. If you guys haven't seen my Makeup by Mario blush stick video, I will link that up above for you guys, but honestly, I think I like this one more. I don't know, it's a tie. It's 2 totally different products. One's a stick, this one's obviously like a cream, but this just makes you look angelic and blushed and beautiful. Like you stepped off the cover of a magazine. Like, this is runway worthy blush. Like, this is amazing, phenomenal. It's not picking up my foundation. I love it. Alright guys, time to score this product. Starting with application. When applied with a brush, like I did in the video, I think it applies beautifully, but when swatched on the back of my hand, it just went on a little bit too thick. It does sheer out, but it's a little bit too pink. So if you're going to just apply it directly to your face, I feel like that might be a bit of a hot mess. Definitely play around with it, but for application, I'm going to give this one a 7 out of 10. Up next, pigment. I definitely want to go and purchase a couple more shades, especially that peach. It's calling to me. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to have to give it a 10 out of 10. Finally, value. This is only $16 Canadian compared to other products such as the Nars, which I really love, but it's $39, and then Natasha Denona is $29, and then Makeup by Mario, which is again $35. So $16 for a product that I love. Like I said, probably more than the Nars, I think is an amazing value. So I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. Giving us a final score of 27 out of 30. Now, would I buy it, avoid it, or wishlist it? Definitely I would buy this. I absolutely love it, but there is something I wanna share with you guys. If you do decide to go in a little more heavy-handed, or you don't mean to, but it happens, and then you look a little too blushed, I wanna share a tip with you guys. So if you look a little too blushed, go in with the same thing you used to apply your foundation. If that is a sponge or if you used a brush, go in and apply just with the amount of product that you have left on your actual, applicator, and just veil that. So just tap that out, and whatever foundation or concealer you have left on your sponge will just veil that so it's not so intensely blushed. All right, guys, that's my tip to you. If you guys love videos like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it helps a girl out. I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye, guys. I'm keeping this. This is phenomenal. Do you like it? I like it. It's really pretty. Even camera guy says it's pretty.